All right, guys, we back out here. We got something new, baby. We got that Losi Baja Rey, baby. We finna get it in. Yes, sir. Oh, I knew that bitch would flip easy. This bitch here, you got to really ride it. That bitch super grippy. Right.
You got to keep it off the road.
Right.
You're going to flip in the road, it ain't flipping the ground.
Right. I need dirt and rocks. That's why I need to go out there off a grave. Yeah, that bitch coming right up. See, I can barely turn on concrete. Uh-oh. God damn, that bitch ain't. Yeah. I need to keep it in that damn dirt with rocks. That's what it need, cause that higher grass ain't got the tires for that one. Yeah. Let's go, baby. Yeah, you got turns. Uh-oh. Slow down, turn around. Oh shit, boy, that back end ain't good. Yes, sir. Yeah. Whoop. Here, you try that. That bit touchy. I want to see you try them out.
Drive good.
That she cool, try them out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby.
Oh.
Yeah, that bit touchy. Cause I don't play it now. You got to turn soft, boy. Yeah. That high grass ain't what it is, cuz, for that.
I can't drive home.
Yeah, you can, shit. The high grass ain't what it is for this. It need this sand rock like that. Uh-oh. Damn sure fell in that. That's where his avenue at right there, cuz. That's where it's at right there. That's his avenue right there. Tell you, don't feel the difference. So tight. It just cut off. I don't know, that shit did that to us yesterday. See if it'll go. See if it'll go. Yes, sir. Ah. Well, you see how the tire bloom? Huh? That a little bit fun though. 3S. Yeah. I need to build like a little dirt.
Same screws, but shorter than the black one.
Yeah.
I put them on a little nut and they all fit the same.
Okay. That's Todd, my cousin Jay. He the one built the course back there. How you doing, man? Another day. Yeah, I know that's right.
Clouding up, man.
This is Baja Rey. Baja Rey. I'm gonna take this Biker's Paradise, cause it's for the. If you put it on the concrete, it flips easy. Like when you're turning, you gotta take your time when you're turning. Yeah.
That's why listen, they built them cars for what they is.
Right. That's right.
Just no everybody got one of these, it's set up. No,
Right.
I ain't gonna got a desert car, that's what it's for.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
You're right.
You got a drag car, that's what it's for.
You're right.
Just like real life, they make them just like they make them in real life. If you got a Jeep, I don't think that's so you gonna be down at the racetrack drag racing.
Right.
Just like real life. Real life. That's how they make it. If it's a desert car, that's what you want to get it on the dirt and keep it on the dirt. Reminds me of the ones that race on the dirt tracks and jump in big jumps. Oh, that's fun. That's why it's been the real soft. It turned too short for the roll.
Oh. Oh, look, you seen that?
Yeah.
Boy, you can really handle this. All right. You can really handle this shit. And that's what the dude told me on live last night. He was like, bro, that's a different car right there. I'm gonna tell you now, there ain't no basher. That's one you got to drive for real.
Yeah, that bitch drives good. Huh?
I don't know why I keep cutting out. I'm about to talk to the dude about that, boy. That bitch cutting out though. Maybe the motor part getting hot.
Yeah, it might be
Yeah.
safety thing.
So I'm gonna open it up, cause the motor go in there. I'm gonna open it up, put a fan in it. See, this the fan is just for the ESC. Well, this fan right here just let air out of the cabin. You need a fan on the motor too, cause they put a 4S system on here.
That's a bad little car.
Yeah, man, I love it, Todd.